Hey guys, today I'm checking out this food warming mat that I received for event purposes. It's a really nice set that you can use to get your food warm if you're gonna leave it while they're resting, or if you're gonna do, well, something while you eat. That way it will stay consistently at a temperature that you desire, which I think that it's really nice. As you can see, it comes with this really travel bag, and we got the instruction manual. This is main unit. As you can see, it has a really nice surface, and it's outlined the surface where it's getting hot. Okay, in here we got the power outlet, and this side the controls. We can set it up on different temperatures, which I think that it's really nice. And let's see what else comes inside. We got in here the power cord. I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it in and into the electrical outlet, and we can turn it on. Can set the temperature just with one touch, which I think that it's really nice. And well, I'm gonna get my meal ready to test it out. Come on. The mat is crafted from a high quality food grade silicone, and it's durable, flexible, and it's perfect to use with all your favorite dishes, from ceramic bowls to glass trays and even metal pots. And after 4 hours of use, the warming mat automatically shut off to prevent overheating or even energy waste, so you can relax, serve, and enjoy without worrying a bit. Beyond using it for mealtime, this warming mat is a true kitchen multitasker, as you can use it to defrost your frozen food, even for proofing dough, or even warming facial mask for a spa-like experience at your own home, and for everyday cooking to party hosting. I think that it's a really versatile solution that can make your life a little bit easier. And once that you're done, the cleanup of the mat takes just seconds. As its surface repels oil and water, just a quick wipe is all that it will take. And when it's time to store it up, just need to roll it, and it will be compact and neat and ready for using it the next time. This mat is raised 50mm, so it can protect your tabletop from the heat, and it can promote a better airflow for even temperature distribution on it. And with its non-slip base, it will stay firmly in its place without sliding and without burning your tabletop, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, so I let it up on the mat a couple of minutes while I, well, get everything cleaned up, and I think that it's nice because the plate feels hot. Okay, I'm gonna move it out. Okay, and I'm gonna turn it off. By itself, it is, well, like if I had just made it, which I think that it's nice. And well, in here we have some indications for the safety of ourselves on how to interact with it. And I'm not gonna roll it or move it right now. I'm just gonna leave it right there and unplugged. Okay. Now, after I clean up after myself and had everything ready, I can enjoy my still warm meal, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, because as you can see, it was really easy to use. Just plug it and, well, set the temperature that you're gonna need. I think that it's really nice. I leave it at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, but you can leave it on 176 and 146, which I think that it's great. Overall, I really like it, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.